now. Ah, so hot today. So this is the fish skin in vinegar sauce, and it's the cold dish. So first time trying this.
Good.
好吃 macam mana itu sama kak? Good.好吃 Saya udah coba, very good.
Selfie, makan no?
Mau jadi pada.烤浪虾。烤浪虾。哇。给你讲讲，都了。都面蛮好，都来过的。蛮好的。哎，我那太多的。
Very refreshing.
Ini jadi apa yang ini gambar ini deh. Ini mau enggak? Ini tengok bening.
Oyster omelette. Ini cuma jenui aja. Ngaku itu lele.
Ini macam nasi. Ini yang di sini kan terkenal dia punya.
Tapi jenui aja. Beda style. Morning guys. So we are on the high-speed rail again, and this time we are going to Taichung, and from there we'll be going to Xinjiang. So hopefully the weather there is a lot cooler than here. So we have reached Taichung, and now we are waiting for the car to pick us up for lunch before we go to Xinjiang area. We are now at Nina's Chocolate Factory. Hello. Entering the castle. ice cream now. Yay! Our ice cream is ready.
Lấy chụp xinh. Lấy cho mày. Tiếp chặt.
Yeah.
Tadi yang mana yang kocek? Kalau yang kocek. Mana
Coklat.
Terus
Bánh mì blueberry.
cheese, blueberry cheese.
Mana cheese?
Nah, cheese ah.
Cheese.
Cheese.
Almond.
Yang berarti semua lah. Kalau kocek.
Hello. Ini. Okay. Nanjak ya. Up the hill.
So we have reached Xinjiang and this is where we'll be staying tonight. And the weather here is pretty misty right now because it was raining for a bit earlier. But yeah, it's pretty cooling and nice. So we're just gonna chill and relax for tonight. And this is the second floor of our room. They also have terrace. Good morning guys. So it was raining pretty much the whole of last night, but at least the sky has cleared up now and we're gonna go for breakfast. Let's see what we have for breakfast. Can you see the view behind? It's so pretty. Let's explore a bit around the hotel. So those are like the caravan room. Although it's pretty sunny, but it's still a bit cooling and nice. I like this kind of weather. Okay, let's take a look at the caravan. So it's a very small room. If you can see, it's just the bed and the toilet. Inside the tunnel, going to Cingjing farm now. Look at the view.
有个了解干呢，别不别。
Hello，太累了，从刚才一直走到脚酸了，累了，好的，哎呀，太累了。
都要尽量放小一点点哦，准备好为各位打来一招躺在马背上，轻轻松松原地睡着，你们看，它的呈现回马张反起，那么其中招啊，在古代用来窥探后方敌人的招式，窥探后方敌人的招式，没有看清楚吗？接下来再为各位来示范一次，接下来个不一样。
So next stop after Qingjing Farm is the Swiss Garden.
Nanti minta.
Dah?
Oke.
Kurang dia kasih 1-2 foto aja.
Lunch. A demonstration by Lipa.
Mà sẵn cao lắm không?
现在人家说诚信满天下，所以说有什么东西高来听。但是
巴黎可以了，巴黎很好呀。
你昨天不？因为这上面做一下是地瓜叶，你可以再。包子每天在吃的是我们陈大。
We are back in Taichung now, and we are here at the Zhongshe Flower Market. Because it's so hot today, so we're just gonna chop, take some photos, and we're gonna head to the next destination. So let's go! That's the spot where people usually like to take their